Guys, I bought a new video after a few minutes or hours to show you this. I made the vacuum cleaner. Watch how it works. Sucks air from here. It sucks the dirt or whatever from there. Nice, right? Then the motor is over there, spinning like a pro. And the switch is there. The battery is there. I also made some holes there. That's right. And I think it's called a funnel, right? You just move this to pour out the dirt. Oh yeah, if it rains there, you pour out the dirt from here. Stuck in my face. Okay, just a joke. But feel free to like and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends. I mean, like, how many people have you seen making this thing? When people see this, they don't even know what it is. Okay. Now I just posted this video to show you how this works. And see you in the next video. Bye.